Imagine exploring the globe without emptying your pockets. It's achievable with these clever travel hacks. First up, embrace local living with Airbnb. Shun the costly hotels and immerse yourself in captivating local neighborhoods. Unlock hidden city gems with a tourist pass like the one in New York for budget-friendly access to top sites and transport. Just make sure to check the deals first. Plan your visits to attractions smartly and watch your savings grow. Opting for hotel rooms with a fridge or kitchenette can greatly cut down your food costs, and never pass up on free breakfast deals. Fly smart and choose budget airlines. Enjoy major savings on airfare without compromising your journey. Finally, consider couch surfing for a unique, extremely affordable stay and the opportunity to connect with locals. Remember, travel doesn't have to be a strain on your wallet. With these hacks, you can experience more for less. For more savvy travel tips and strategies, subscribe to Vacation Advertiser, your gateway to affordable adventures.